Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I have come up with a very interesting and beautiful candle making tutorial for all of you, and especially for those who are not having fancy candle molds with them. Even they can make these candles very easily and with very few ingredients, as you can see in the display over here. So we are going to make leaf candles. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to make leaf candles today with real leaves. So you can see I have taken leaves of different shapes for this project. Then I have taken paraffin wax, an old knife, some candle wick sustainers, candle color. I have taken green color, fluorescent green color over here. You can take any color of your choice. Then scissor, then a tin tray and a normal hair oil to grease the tray. So let's start with this video. Before that, I would request all of you to subscribe to my channel if you like my channel, and do watch this video completely. If you like the video, don't forget to give the thumbs up. So now let's get started. So at first we'll be greasing our tin tray. So I'm just taking few drops of hair oil and just spreading it all over the tray. Make sure before greasing your tray is completely clean and there should be no stains of wax in your tray. So I have greased it completely from all the four sides, and now I'll be melting the paraffin wax. So I'll melt this and come back to you. So I have melted the wax and now I'm adding the green color to this melted wax. You can add as per the shade you want. See, I have added just a little bit of color and you can see the beautiful fluorescent green color. Now I'll pour it into the tray. While pouring, you have to keep in mind that your tray is more than 3/4 filled, because if the layer of wax is very less, then your candle will be very thin. So make sure that the thickness of the candle should be good enough. So make sure you fill the tray at least 3/4, a bit more than half of the capacity of your tray. So guys, now my wax is almost set. I don't want it completely hard. I want it a bit soft. Now what I'll do is, I have taken this leaf and I'll just put it upside down like this, because the prints which are there on the front side, I want these prints on my candle. So that is the reason I'm just putting it upside down like this, and I'll gently press it so that all the print of this leaf come on our wax. Press it properly from all the angles and fix it. So guys, I have kept some weight, I have kept some keys on the leaves so that the leaves stick properly onto the wax. Now I'll remove the weight and the leaves as well. So there is a nice print which has come up on the wax. Now just cut your desired shape of the leaf. So guys, I have demolded the leaf candle from the tray, and now I'm going to fix the wick. I have purposely kept it a bit softer so that it's easier to fix the wick. this is a longer candle, so I want it to burn evenly from all the sides. That's why I have fixed 2 wicks in it, and similarly in this one as well I'll fix 2 wicks. Before it gets completely hard, make sure you fix the wick. Now cut the excess wick. Guys, this is one such unique candle which is not only fun to make, but it's very interesting. Even kids of say 10 to 11 years or above can make these beautiful candles. It's easy, it's a fun project. Friends, I have taken this Fevicryl gold dust powder, and I'll just take a bit of this gold dust powder and I'll just rub it on my candle so that the prints of my leaves are visible. It will give a more realistic look to my leaf. Wipe off the extra or the excess. So guys, this is how my leaf candles look like. You can see the pretty fluorescent yellowish color, and you can see how beautifully these candles are lighting. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more such candle making tutorials. I have lot many ideas in my mind and I will definitely share with you all. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.